What if I told you most Americans aren't broke because they don't make enough money? They're broke because they make the wrong money moves. And in 2026, one bad decision can cost you years of financial freedom. But today, I'm going to show you the smart money moves that financially successful people are using right now. Part 1. Control your cash flow. It doesn't matter if you make $3,000 or $30,000 a month. If you don't know where your money is going, you're already losing. Smart Americans follow a simple rule. Spend less than you earn and track everything. Apps like budgeting tools or even a simple spreadsheet can instantly change your financial life, because what gets tracked gets controlled. Part 2. Stop letting your money sit idle. If your money is just sitting in a low-interest bank account, inflation is quietly stealing it every single day. Smart move? Put your money to work. High-yield savings accounts, index funds, or even treasury bonds. These are low-risk ways your money can actually grow. Remember, your money should be working even when you're not. Part 3. Invest consistently, not emotionally. Most people try to time the market and they fail. Smart investors, they invest regularly, every week, every month, no matter what. This is called dollar cost averaging, and over time, it builds serious wealth. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to stay in the game long enough to win. Part 4. Build multiple income streams. In 2026, having one job is risky. Smart Americans are building multiple income streams, side hustles, online businesses, investing, even content creation. Because if one income stops, the others keep you going. And finally, avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest credit card debt, that's a financial trap. Smart move? Pay off high-interest debt as fast as possible and use credit wisely. At the end of the day, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart decisions consistently. Start small, stay disciplined, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.